upcycle means to reuse material in such a way as to create a product of higher quality or value than the original. It often involves combining different objects into one new thing. Now, I did a little research and found out when upcycling first began. You're welcome. Let me show you.
Chocolate.
Peanut butter.
Hey!
Oh, hey, you got your chocolate and my peanut
You got
butter.
peanut butter on my chocolate.
What?
Delicious.
Two great tastes that taste great together. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
You gotta love those old TV commercials. I don't know about you, but I'm always walking around town carrying a large stoneware crock filled with peanut butter that says peanut butter on it. But seriously, upcycle is the combination of two words: to upgrade and to recycle. Now, I look at upcycling as something that I can do to fight inflation because I take something unuseful, maybe even trash, and upgrade it into something useful and better at little or no cost. And today on Alley Picked, I'm going to revisit the last 13 upcycled projects that I've done.
Sorry, kids. The trip to Albany is off, and there's to be no more recycling.
But we didn't do that badly. We collected enough paper to save one whole tree.
What do you get when you cross an old block plane with a vintage lamp? A really cool block plane lamp. It took some doing to get the new wire routed safely and out of sight through the wood plane. Turning a banjo into a clock requires some special modifications. You can't just mount a quartz movement on the banjo skin. It needs to be reinforced. This was a fun project. I could see it hanging in a music store or a music studio. After I bought this surface planer, I soon realized that I need a table to put it on. These are messy. Even with a vacuum, I like to plane the wood outside if possible. There's also more space for me to work outside. Having it portable is going to allow me to move it outside easily. These old sewing tables are common at estate sales and fairly inexpensive. They make great tool stands. These two sign decorations were loose and no longer safe. The owner wanted me to remove them. I told her I'd take them down if I could keep them. She agreed. I prepared the metal for repainting. I added a beautiful chunk of mahogany on the top. I kept these pieces from ending up in the scrap heap and upcycled them into a beautiful, unique end table.